The old fresh milk?
Yeah.
It don't make no sense to me.
Right. All right, folks.
Fresh
Papa
milk.
Joe here, and Grandma Rose, and Robert, Lakota. We're all here. Lakota's unloading bricks over there. Well, you just gonna make one tall stack, are you?
Yep.
Been hauling them in the van. That's been a challenge and a chore. Oh, and I told you already. They found other bricks.
Yeah.
All right, here's what we're after. Robert's getting a start on it. As you can see, he got the level out there, and he's running that level off of the sidewalk in the driveway. That is establishing his level. And it ain't got to be perfect, but it's got to be damn close to it. So, tell him what you're doing, Robert.
Lakota, will you hand me a red brick?
He's
Asking Lakota to hand me a red brick. All right. Just trying to get them all even and level.
So they already had to haul a load of dirt in here for this, you know, not literally, off the back 40, where we had it raked down and some of it removed. Well, they're coming close, ain't they?
Oh yeah, need a little bit more right here.
Now, where are you stealing the dirt from?
Right there on the edge of the fence.
Oh, good. So Mom remembered to tell you?
Yeah.
I forgot that I told her to tell you. Her memory's affecting me something terrible.
Right?
I don't know what's up with that.
I gotta go check sausages. And just using the mallet to get it level, get it even, pack it down a little.
How's them corners coming out?
Oh, there.
No, I meant for being square there. Right there where you just made that corner.
Yeah, they're good.
Okay. That's going to be very time consuming.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
You're going to have a lot of hours in here. So you think you'll have it done today?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get right on that.
See what I have to deal with, folks? All right, I wanted to just give you a quick little view of what he was doing here. So this is the beginning. So within a year, we should have a patio. Get a few rains on it, you'll be out here leveling stuff again. You lucky rascal. All right, folks. I'll show you a little bit more later as he gets her done. Bye. All right, folks, I'm back with you. There's all the pavers we went and got, plus all those. Robert and Lakota's got a pretty good start. That's awful tall. You can see what it's looking like. Me and Grandma's liking it. Lakota's having a go at setting the pavers. So maybe later during the week he can come down and do it. We'll see how that all works out. We're watching you, Lakota.
Mm-hmm.
People in over 11 countries are watching you lay that paver. That corner's pretty good. That corner toward your house ain't so good, right? Nope, come forward. Right there. Feel that lip?
Mm-hmm.
So that side.
Level over here too.
Yeah. Oh, there it went down. Look what you did. Don't tear my equipment up. Now, if you ain't careful, you'll be breaking pavers holding it down and beating the other corner. Looks like it's a little high in the middle to be wobbling like that. That's better. That's better. Well, she still got a little wobble. All right, folks. Just giving you a little look, see what they got. It's going to be a very slow process. So that's what it looked like. We left the two corners out because this chain link fence will come up in the future. But me and Grandma both liking it. It's all that counts. As long as Grandma likes it, the world's happy. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. See what they get done for the end of the day. They got maybe 2 hours left. Bye. Okay, well, this thing died on me, so little Joe's going to have to splice it. I want to show you, look. Damn pollen already. Look at the trees. I got 3, 4 big ones right here. And more on the property. That's just what's right here. So yeah, it's going to be dropping the pollen. Just to show you a wrap up of it all. Yes, we put the sand on there on purpose. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, if not tonight. We want that sand to wash down in between all them pavers. I don't know if I can step in here and get you a better view or not. It's been a learning experience today. None of us had done these before, and that's all we got done, plus unloading a whole bunch of them. So I got them while they was on sale, so now we have them. Dakota's gonna come in one day this week when it ain't raining and see if he can work them down to the corner. Hopefully here in the near future I'll be able to show you a completed project on this part. Now what we're concerned about, and if anybody knows how, see this curve in the sidewalk? We're wondering how we're going to cut our bricks for that. Now, I know about tile saws. We have a small one. But, and this is wider on the front than it is the side. But we don't know exactly how we're going to cut these curves in any of them. So that's an issue we'll deal with. Down here at our front door entrance, you can see where the sidewalk is cracked. There was a big tree right there where that clear dirt spot is. That's where Lakota was working on a stump. There was one there and one there, 2 big trees. There is roots that grew underneath that, pushed it up, broke it down there by the welcome mat, if you can even see it. Broke it right here. So we're not exactly sure what we're going to do here. We don't want to tear up that concrete and relay it. We don't want to do that. So we're going to just have to figure out a way to work with it. I ain't exactly sure what, but we'll figure out something. And the thing is we are not concreting these in, no mortar mix. Let me take these in. Grandma was pulling up the solar panels, solar lights. All right, here, Mama. So there you go. That's what we got done. This curve in the sidewalk here is going to be a question. Well, I ain't sure exactly what to do there. If anybody has any suggestions, then please let me know. Now, I'm tired enough today, I'll say no smart ass suggestions, please. With that, I'm going to remind you, God loves you, and so do I. I'm a tired puppy. I didn't get no rest this weekend. Y'all have a blessed evening. Bye.